Alright y'all, so I'm out here with this HGLRC Parrot 120. We're about to do a quick line of sight test with it. First flight. I got this this taped up GMB 550 pack. It still has good power in it though. I forget why I taped it up. I think it was splitting on the side or whatever, the wrapping, the casing of the battery. But let's take this thing up. We have these Gem Fan Whiskey 65mm props on it. So let's take it up. I think all of these little micros or toothpick class quads seem to fly better with the Vine props on it. The tri-blades instead of these two-bladed props. I think bi-blades just don't have enough power for my taste. But let's take this thing up and see how it flies. I'm going to take off from the pole here. We're in acro, starting out in acro mode. Let's do a punch out. So pretty decent punch out, but I think it would be better if it had the Vine props on it. Seems to fly pretty nice though. So it seems like a nice fly to me. Can't wait to test this thing out FPV. Just wanted to bring it out here real quick before we lose the light. Bring it in, have a look at it. Check it out. Little power loop there. No buzzer on this thing, and I couldn't get these shot commands to work. I don't know what's up with it. Everything seemed to be selected that needed to be selected. Starting to get dark. I hope you guys can see this steady hover right here. Trying to get it from the bottom so you can use the light from the sky to see it. This little guy's pretty fast. I'm going to bring it in because I don't know what a battery is as far as battery voltage. So that's it. A quick line of sight demo flight or test flight of this Parrot 120 from HGLRC. Thanks for watching.
That was a great catch.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yeah, that was a great catch.
Thanks.